Vortexi, and my name you will not find in your dusty art history books. For I have leapt across time itself to stand here among you in this world of miraculous machines. Magnifico, glorioso. To breathe the air of your century is to taste the fire of 1,000 electrified suns. I was born amid the roaring engines, the shrieks of the factories, the pounding fists. We were young, ferocious, drunk on the electricity of the future. We believed, no, we knew that the old world with its crumbling statues and fading portraits must be obliterated to make way for the new. We wrote manifestos like battle cries. What a time to be alive, and I should know, having torn myself from 1912 to stand among you today. I am Vittorio Vortexi, proud disciple of Marinetti, brother of Boccioni, companion of Carat. We were young, foolish, but we had vision. We dreamed of a world electrified by speed, by machines, by a relentless forward search. We shrieked for the death of dusty museums. We howled for the end of ancient traditions. And now, look around you, look around you. You carry entire libraries in the palms of your hands. Your voices fly across oceans at the speed of thought. Your machines move faster than any locomotive we ever dared imagine. Your cities blaze with light, even in the dead of night. Drones, rockets, electric roads, Dio mio, it is as if the very air is alive with velocity. In many ways, we were fools, but we were prophets. We saw that art and life must merge and mutate endlessly. Today, your art is not confined to galleries. It explodes across screens. It dances through social media, transforms with every click, with every swipe. Movement, change, transformation. These are the very lifeblood of your world. And yet, permit me a moment of caution. We, the Futurists, we worship speed without any mercy. We mistook distraction for renewal. In our lust for the future, we sometimes trampled the human spirit beneath the wheels of our imaginary machines. I now see speed must serve life, not devour it. You, sons and daughters of the future we dreamed, you must remember this. Let your machines amplify your humanity, not erase it. Let your art continue to rebel, to evolve, to provoke. But never forget the heart that beats behind that screen, the soul that breathes behind that engine. In my time we cried, let's demolish the past. Now I say, let's transform it. Let's fuse it with the new. Let's make it brighter. Let's not make it disappear. Let's make it burn brighter.